Hey, VR enthusiasts! If you're looking for the perfect accessory to enhance your Oculus Quest 2 experience, look no further. Introducing the accessories for Oculus Quest 2 Cable Link Smart 3D Virtual Reality VR Glasses USB-A to Type-C 3.5mm Headset Oculus Helmet. This VR fast charging cable is a game changer. Not only does it provide high-speed data transmission, but it also features a fast charging design, saving you valuable time while charging and syncing your device. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to more time enjoying your VR experience. But that's not all. This USB-C data cord is built to last with its 90-degree connector design. It protects the cable ends from deforming or breaking, ensuring a long-lasting and durable product that you can rely on. Not to mention, this data cable is designed specifically as a replacement for Oculus Quest 2, ensuring a perfect fit without any modifications necessary. And with its lightweight and compact design, it's easy to carry in your bag without taking up much space. What's more, the 16 feet long charging cord provides freedom of movement while playing, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your VR world without being tethered to a power outlet. It's convenient, practical, and designed with your gaming experience in mind. So why wait? Elevate your VR experience today with the accessories for Oculus Quest 2 Cable Link Smart 3D Virtual Reality VR Glasses USB-A to Type-C 3.5mm Headset Oculus Helmet. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your Oculus Quest 2. Click the link in the description to get yours now.